Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my April Ipsy bag unbagging, and it comes in this beautiful butterfly print bag, and it has this like metallic pink on the corners and the bottom. It has a little tag here. It says Ipsy in the same color as this, and it's like a dusty pink in the back. And I was so excited when I saw the sneak peek for this bag because I love butterflies, so this is definitely for me. So now let's see the goodies that came in this month's bag. The first thing I have here is the banana setting powder, and it is in the shade medium. The brand, I do not know the brand. I think it's BELLÁPIERRE Cosmetics. Yeah, it doesn't say it here. It has BP there though. Okay, so here it is. Let me try to remove that film. So here it is. And it does have shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see the shimmer there a little bit. That's so pretty. I love anything shimmering. The second one is a nail polish, and this is Pretty Woman brand, and this is 0.3 fluid ounces, which is a 10 ml. So here it is, and it's this pretty like light mauve pinkish purplish color, and it's in the shade, well, it doesn't have a shade name. Here are the social handles you can follow Pretty Woman. Oh, here goes the name. It's called Girl Boss. I'm gonna get a swatch stick and swatch it out for you guys. Here is how the brush applicator looks. So it is wide. Oops, there was something in the swatch stick. Oh, can't go back now. As you can see, it's pretty light, but it is a cream color. You just have to build up the opacity, most likely with 2 coats. So that is coat number 1, and this is coat number 2. And there it is. It definitely covered up with 2 coats, and that is Girl Boss from Pretty Woman. I'm gonna let that dry over there. And let's see what else is in here. I have Delectable Soft Triple Moisture Body Lotion in coconut and cream. It does have shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera, and it does not have parabens. I don't know how to say that P word. GMOs, mineral oil, or these 2 other things. So it is cruelty free and vegan free. This is a 2 ounce, and it's created in Canada. And it says triple rich goodness, whipped to perfection and enriched with coconut oil, shea butter, aloe vera to hydrate, smooth, and nourish. This triple rich formula glides on and absorbs quickly, leaving behind silky smooth and sensationally soft skin. Enjoy being so soft. Let's see what's all that fuss about. Has a silver film in there, so let me take that out. Okay, squeeze some out. So it is a white cream base. Oh my god, you could smell that coconut like right in your face. Smells amazing. I love the smell of coconut. And it feels really soft, like it says. It does have a little bit of that oily texture to it, but not that much. smells really good. I love that. I love the smell of coconut. So let's open up other things. The next thing I got is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And it's in the shade Milan. SMLC. What does it say that? Oh, soft matte lip. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let me take out the film. And it's this very pretty pink color. This is my first NYX lippy. And let me swatch it here because I put lotion there. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. It looks like a hot pink, but it's not that bright. But it's a very pretty pink. I love matte lipsticks lately. So let's see how that will look when it dries up. And the last thing in this baggie, it is the Trust Fund Beauty. That liquid glow though. It's a liquid highlighter, and I was so excited for this because I love highlighter. Me and my niece, when we put makeup on, that's what we look forward into, the highlighter. Okay, so this is the brand Trust Fund Beauty. I think that's the brand. Yeah, that's the brand because it says trustfundbeauty.com down there. And here it is. I believe this is a sample size, and it is 0.27 fluid ounce. Let me take out the protective seal so we can try it out. Okay, so this is how the tip is. Let's put it here. Oh, there it was. I was afraid it wasn't coming out. Ooh, look at that color. It's like a metallic pink. Wow. Oops, I mixed it up by mistake. Look at that glow. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Can't wait to try out a makeup look with it. So this was my Ipsy glam bag for the month of April. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely do a makeup look trying on these products, and I will leave a link down below that it will take you to my Instagram because that is where I upload it. And I will see you guys in the next one. And my Instagram name is at MAENAILDESIGNS, just like my YouTube name. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.